I've always liked doing math problems, like when I was in school. It was anytime my mom asked me like go study, it was usually I would just open up the math textbook and do problems there. So about the current degree I'm doing, so I am doing my Ph.D. in industrial engineering, and I'm in my 4th year, and I'm also doing a master's in computer science concurrently. And I've also completed a master's in chemical engineering from Texas A&M itself, so I've been here for quite a while. So the primary focus was doing optimization, which is basically a whole lot of math modeling to find the best or the optimal solution to certain problems. And I found the industrial engineering department had more courses being offered which were relevant to this particular topic. So I felt this might be a better fit for me to do my PhD there, so I can like focus more on the mathematical aspects of it. Because if I wanted to pursue this research area, then it seemed like they had a lot of faculty who were doing this kind of specific research. The work my professor does, it was focused more on graph theory and combinatorial optimization. So I had to take a few classes from the computer science department and from the math department as well. So I thought it might be a good complement to have a computer science degree, and that is when I decided to do my second master's alongside the PhD. All the problems that I work on, like as part of my research, it has like a variety of applications in the sense it's very universal. Like I might be working with airline networks, but you could possibly apply the same concept to anything like a telecommunication network or even to let's say like any kind of logistics network. Like the ability to impact the livelihoods of people who are involved, and it has the ability to prevent a lot of accidents that could happen. And so it's kind of, I think, why I got interested in this area. And when you see that you are able to work in problems which have a lot of impact, you are able to work on an entire thing which is really big. Anytime you do something, it should always be about the greater impact you can have. So I think there's a lot of potential for it to be applied to a lot of different places, and you could actually contribute to the world in many different ways than just being confined to the company you're working at. But it depends on the problem and the scale of the problem. But I think there's a lot of different ways you can contribute.